What happens when sneakers meet ramen? Hello guys, today we are going to unbox the COMET and NARU collaboration sneakers, and I will also share my first impressions. I will also give a quick review because I already own a pair of these shoes in the regular edition, but this is special edition. This is collaboration between COMET, a sneaker brand, and a NARU, a ramen restaurant from Bengaluru. Both of these brands started in Bengaluru. So if we look inside, we get a shoe bag that feels much better in quality compared to the normal drops and perfectly matches the design language of the shoe. Now the fun part, the ramen packet style packaging. It really looks like you're unboxing the food. Let's open it carefully. I don't want to tear it off. And here we go, the shoe. The design language and colors are so well executed and really lives up to the expectation. And as you can see, the classic Comet outsole with all the planets makes it look even better. On the left shoe, if we flip the heel tab, we see Ajitama. On the right pair, I think we got Narutomaki. Let's see. Yes, it is Narutomaki. This indicates the basics of perfect ramen bowl. If we again take a look at packaging, the details are also thoughtful. Things like nutrition label and serving instructions adds to the storytelling. Now for the most unique design element, chopsticks. Yes, actual chopsticks. At the first, I thought who would wear chopsticks on the shoes? But look how well they go with the design. You can wear them with or without the chopsticks, whichever suits you. Let's put the other one into. This is how it looks. Also, if you notice the embroidery Naru logo on the shoe, it is the letter N in Kannada. I personally like all the design elements which are very well thought of. One more thing is when you put both shoes together, you see the monkey mascot slurping noodles from the ramen bowl across the pair. This is my first limited edition sneakers, and honestly, I have checked all the previous drops from the Comet, and this is the best limited edition drop and also the most expensive one. The colorway is called Alter Black Salmon, inspired by a chef's uniform from NARU restaurant. This colorway is really nice. Comet always nails their colors, and this one is no different. This is India's first sneaker and food collaboration. Nobody would have imagined this collab, but they managed to pull it off really well. Comet is excellent at storytelling through design. The best part is you can actually feel the story when you look at the shoe, and this applies to every style available on the Comet website. I already own a pair of Comet sneakers, which are Mad Scientist. They are also X-Lows. Both of these shoes share some similarities. So the Mad Scientist also has synthetic leather upper material. There is ample space at the toe, which makes it good for Indian foods. The tongue of the shoe is made up of some different material, which also feels nice. If we move the heel tab, it says never shy. This is left pair which we are holding. And speaking of outsole, it is also made up of rubber and EVA material, which provides some good grip. And if we take another shoe, it says never sorry. And both of these put together, which is their line never shy, never sorry. The insoles on these shoes are very comfortable. If you are speaking about the midsole, it is made up of some foam like material, which also provides all day long comfort, which also provides good grip. So if we compare the regular edition with the special edition, the regular edition provides two pair of laces, and the bag in the regular edition is not that of great quality. Also, there is one card giving details about the materials used in the shoe. If we are speaking about the special edition, we won't be able to get it now on the website as it was a special edition. As these are limited edition, they are already sold out and you won't be able to get it on the website as only 400 pairs were released. 300 pairs were available in offline and 100 pairs were online, and I got this in online drop only. The only way to get the shoes now is from resale market, and I already sold the shoe in a resale market at higher price. If you guys are interested, I would make another video about the resale. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more interesting stuff, like, share, subscribe, and I got more exciting content in the pipeline which I'm sure you don't want to miss. Bye bye.